Deportivo is the greatest thing that the community has. It's a place for sport, art, music, theater, galleries. It has a pool, Olympic pool, has many, many sports. And I'm proud to say that my father was one of the founders. As I told you, my father was very social. He really didn't work so much, but he was social with Deportivo. He was social with the sports, especially with the sports. And he was one of the founders. And I remember when they were asking for donations for the sports center, I went to him many times to Sunday to the Yiddish Stunde. There was a Yiddish radio, and they asked we are building a Deportivo. We're building this. You have to donate. You have to buy. We have to buy the land, and many people listen. Every Sunday, people listen to the Yiddish Stunde with music, with announcement. People looking for families after the war. It was founded 65 years ago. It's an amazing place. And also it's amazing, they have a large library, lending library. And they have a room full of Yiddish. And they have many languages there.